Me, Misha the bear, and I'm here with my three most wintry pumpkins, Snowy, and Mush, the husky, and the snowman, I don't know who made, but yeah, that's pretty much the whole point of this video, so, bye! Forgot to show you the front of the yard. I know I said this was going to be the end and bye, but whoa! It is going non-stop.